Video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a SIM card in any phone, any iPhone. It's really easy to do. First thing you do is you're going to want to get your SIM card, which I have right here, put it off to the side, and you're actually going to just want to get your phone and get one of these tools right here. Now you need one of these tools to actually open up your phone to actually put in the SIM card. And once you actually take this tool out of the bag like I've done so here, you just want to grab the tool and actually just grab the phone, and actually somewhere on the side of your phone, as you can see, mine is right here, it looks like. You don't want to mistake this with any volume buttons or anything. You just want to take this tool and put this sharp, pointy edge in the side of the phone, like so. Now, as you can see, once you put it in the phone, it may take a second. You just want to click down and it will actually just pop out like so. And when you do that, you can actually just easily take out the SIM card, like so. Just take it out. And you want to take the SIM card out of this package that I have right here and just put it in this little card holder like so. When you do that, you just want to get your phone again, so you can see the slot right there, and just put the SIM card into your phone like so. Now you just want to do this very slowly and carefully, and just like place it in slowly. Just make sure it's the right side up too, so that this matches the actual SIM card. Push it in and it's in there. You don't even need this tool to put it back in. And as you can see, you just need to activate the SIM card, and it will just take a few days or minutes depending on whoever the service card is from.